I was so excited to find this piece, and it was so much fun to work on. I can hardly wait to share it with you. But first, welcome. I'm Jeanette, a home decor artist and a vintage rehab designer. Now, going back to this piece, it's a hybrid vase. What's a hybrid vase, you say, right? Well, that's a good question. Let me explain. This vase is just under 8 inches tall with a 2-inch footprint and weighs 3/4 of a pound. That makes it functional as a bud vase and also as a floral bouquet vase. You get the best of both worlds in one piece. You really can't find this kind of functionality in modern vases today. They have the tapered bottom, which makes them very susceptible to tipping and becoming top heavy very quickly. Vintage pieces, however, are more solid, they're weighted, they're more substantial, and they're not susceptible to tipping. Because of its size, you could drop 2 floral stems in here, they look perfectly fine, and you can drop a wildflower floral bouquet in here and it'll look equally as fine. Its size allows you to tuck it easily in crowded areas and in limited spaces. So if you want a truly unique vase that's a collectible vintage, I've got you covered. And be sure to check out my shop. I have a lot of vintage redesigns that are available that's going to add uniqueness and freshness to your French country, buffalo checked, and courtly collections. Thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one.